Assalamu alaikum, 7th class. Hope you are all fine. Subject Computer Science, Unit number 5, Introduction to Programming Languages. Today we are going to start our new exercise, Exercise B. Fill in the blanks with correct words. Number 1. In order to dash with one another human used languages. The answer is communicate. As we know, languages are the source of communication. So, in the blank, communicate is used. Number 2, Arabic, Urdu and English are the examples of human dash. These are all the human languages, so the answer is languages. Number 3, a computer knows only one language, that is dash. As we know, a well-defined language which can be understood by computer is only the machine language. So, computer only knows one language, that is called machine language. Number 4, an example of low-level language is dash. Low-level language is assembly language. Number 5, computer languages are also called dash languages. As we know, an artificial language used to write instructions which can be translated into machine language by using language translator is called programming or computer language. So, computer languages are also called programming languages. Number 6, there are dash basic types of computer languages. There are two basic types of computer languages, that are high level languages and low level languages. Number 7, Visual Basic is an example of dash generation computer language. Visual Basic is an example of third generation computer language. We have two references of Visual Basic. An updated version of Visual Basic is in 4th generation language, but actually Visual Basic is 3rd generation language. In the key points number 37 on page number 121, you can see the updated version of 3rd generation languages is called 4th generation language. For example, Visual Basic and Oracle. So, Visual Basic is an example of 3rd generation computer language. Number 8, dash is a computer program which is used to translate program written in assembly language. That program which is written in assembly language and used to translate program is assembler. So, the answer is assembler. Now come to the page 1, 2, 3, exercise D. Select the correct answer for each question. Number 1, which one is not a human language? Arabic, English, Pascal, Urdu. Arabic, English and Urdu, these are understood by the human, but Pascal is not. So, Pascal is the right option. It's not understood by a human language. Number 2, there are dash basic types of computer languages 2, 3, 4, 5. As we already read about the computer languages, there are two basic types of computer languages, low level language and high level language. So the correct option is A, 2. Number 3, which one is a low level language? COBOL language, basic language, Fortran language, machine language. The correct option is D, machine language. Number 4, computer only understands machine language, assembly language, COBOL language, Pascal language. Computer only understands machine language. So the correct option is A. Number 5, a dash is a sequence of instructions written in any programming language. Syntax, algorithm, source code, program. The correct option is D. Program. Program is a sequence of instructions written in any programming language. Number 6. Which one is an example of second generation programming language? Basic language, assembly language, Fortran language, machine language. The correct option is B. Assembly language. Number 7. High level language consists of dash words: English, assembly, machine, any language. The correct option is A. English. High level languages consist of English words which are understandable by the human. Number 8. In dash, John G. Kameny and Thomas E. Kurtz designed the original basic language. The correct option is C. 1964. Number 9. Dash language was designed for business use: machine language, COBOL, Fortran, Basic. The correct option is B. COBOL. COBOL language was designed for only business use. Number 10. There are dash types of language translators: 3, 4, 5 and 6. The correct option is A. 3. There are 3 types of language translators: compiler, assembler and interpreter. Number 11. Which language has no need of language translator? Number A. Basic, machine, assembly, COBOL. The correct option is B. Machine. Machine language has no need of language translator because it is directly understandable by the computer. Number 12. Dash is a 5th generation programming language: Visual Basic, Oracle, Lisp, Pascal. The correct option is C. Lisp. Number 13. GW Basic uses dash translator: compiler, assembler, compiler and assembler or interpreter. The correct option is D. Interpreter. GW Basic uses interpreter translator. Now exercise E. Match column A with column B and write the correct answer. Column A and column B. First one is COBOL. Now we will see the correct option: interpreter, translator, Oracle, high level language. COBOL is a high level language. So match number 1 with the high level language. Number 2. Urdu. Urdu is a human language. So match Urdu with number 5, human language. Compiler. Compiler is basically a translator, so match with the number 2. Fourth generation. Fourth generation is the Oracle. Oracle is the 4th generation language. Number 5. Basic. Basic is interpreter, so match with the number 1, interpreter. You have to learn these objectives. Take care of yourself, class. Allah Hafiz.